Reports of contact and abductions by unknown or unearthly entities seem to be increasing each year. With these reports come a variety of alien descriptions, some of which we have represented here. Most witnesses in North America report small human-like beings with large bald heads. These are frequently called the Greys. Usually the beings range from 3.5 to 5.5 feet tall. Sometimes there are 6 fingers, sometimes no thumb, sometimes a suction cup or pads at the end of each finger. Alien skin is generally pale gray or greenish gray, and sometimes with a reptilian texture. The Grey's eyes are generally large, black, and almond-shaped. There is no ear as we know it, only a hole in each side of the head. Some Greys also seem to lack a nose. Many military witnesses have reported that the Grey's lipless mouth leads to a useless, shriveled digestive tract. Others seem to have no alimentary tract at all. Greys apparently absorb some nutrients through the skin and excrete wastes in the same manner. And some Greys are said to be lacking genitalia. Some researchers have even concluded that some of the Greys may be laboratory products or clones and not members of a species or a race. Other UFO occupants seem to work with and control the Greys. There seem to be several types. There are tall humanoids, sometimes with large noses and large cat-like eyes. There are reptilian-like creatures, and even intelligent insects. Other types of UFO occupants include small, hairy creatures and beings like this with claws. These fascinating little creatures were seen during an encounter at Kelly Hopkinsville, Kentucky. And monsters such as the one sketched here were seen at Flatwoods, West Virginia. Even creatures like Bigfoot have been reported. You can find out more about the Flatwoods monster and the Kelly Hopkinsville encounter in our history section. Finally, there is one group of aliens described both in Europe and North America. These individuals are often called the Nordics because they're very often tall, blonde, with blue eyes. However, they do come in different sizes, different colors. They have been seen with red hair, green eyes, brown hair, blue eyes. They're so human that they can move in our midst, totally unnoticed. This particular group has been especially troubling to our military intelligence experts because these people are so human, they can sit next to you in a theater or in an airliner or in a restaurant, and you'll never know the difference. But the military intelligence specialists don't like this at all because they could never tell where they might be at this moment or where they might show up next.